Another hotel review in Brunei. If you're looking for a hotel that is walking distance to all the tourist spots, I highly recommend staying at Jubilee Hotel. Brunei doesn't have train system. They have Dart app and taxis available. The bus is budget friendly, but it has a specific schedule. Staying here is a strategic options that you will be main in the tourist destination, bus terminal, markets, and mall. We book a superior room for only 2,100 Philippine peso. This includes free airport transfer round trip with complimentary breakfast for two. The room is bright and spacious. I really like the large windows that you can get a natural light. They have 24 hours reception. What I really admire on this hotel is they accept early check-in. They allow us to check in by 12 noon instead of 2 p.m. The checkout is 12 noon, but they can extend you for another 1 hour for free. Just request in advance. This is the reason why we extend another one more night after our initial 2-day stay. They provide everything: kettle, iron board, blower, extra pillow, towel, toiletries, water, coffee, tea, and the Wi-Fi is so strong. The hotel have their own restaurant. They serve lunch, dinner, breakfast. What we really like is their milk tea and juices. It's more cheaper compared to those in the mall. For the airport transfer going back to the airport, you just need to go to the reception so they can put you on the list on your desired time. For the complimentary breakfast, you can select anything from their menu. Just up to 6 Brunei dollar per person, and you only pay for any amount that exceeds on that. We just pick up our food at the restaurant and ate in our room to be more comfortable. I hope you like this hotel review. Till next time, bye-bye!